Look at this big red apple. It starts with the letter A. This is a giant ball. We can roll it on the floor. Let's learn about the cat. Here are its whiskers. And look at these paws. Cat begins with the letter C. Let's low to the dog. Whiskers. D is for dog. Cat begins. Can you wave goodbye to our friend? This is the letter E. E is for elephant. Your job! Doing great! Now let's look at the letter F. F is for fish. Job! Can you show me how a fish swims? G is for grapes. This is the stem. And these are the clusters. Learning is fun. A is for house. This is the roof. And these at the door. House starts with H. And look at what we have here. It is a big, delicious ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Can you say ice cream too? Now let us look at the letter J. J is for delicious fruit juice. See how it swirls all around the glass? Great job! Today, let's look at a kite. Here is the strong frame. Watch the tail wiggle. And here is the string. And this is my friend, the lion. Lions can walk very proudly. He likes to wag his tail. Letter L is for lion. This is my friend, the monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M. Can you say monkey? You are doing fantastic! Let us explore something new. This is a giant nest. Birds take care of their eggs here. Nest starts with the letter N. Now let us look at an orange. This is the peel on the outside. Inside, you find delicious segments. Orange starts with the letter O. Wow, look who is here! It is a colorful parrot. He can flap his wings. Parrot starts with the letter P. Today, let's learn about the letter Q. Q is for this beautiful floating queen. Can you try saying the word queen with me? Now let's look at the letter R. R is for this giant fluffy... Look at him hop around the room. Can you say rabbit with me? Wow, look at the giant floating sun. Let's discover the letter S. S is for the bright, warm sun. Can you say sun with me? Look at the steam! This is how a train moves. T is for train. An umbrella keeps us dry. T is for umbrella. Look at the steam! T is V.
Hi, I'm Alex. Let's learn about the clock. This is called the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. Let's see how the hands move around. Telling time is so much fun. Now let's look at the letter X. X is for xylophone. Can you say xylophone? This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Watch it go up and down. And finally, the letter Z is for zebra. Look at its black and white stripes.
Wow, look at all these letters! You did a great job! See you next time!